What if I told you the biggest reason traders lose money isn't the market, it's themselves? Every day, millions of people enter trading hoping to become financially free. They watch flashy videos online, expensive cars, luxury lifestyles, giant profits flashing on screens, and they think trading is easy. But what most people don't realize is that the market is designed to test your emotions. Fear, greed, impatience, ego. These emotions destroy more traders than bad strategies ever could. Imagine this. You open a trade. At first, everything feels fine. Then suddenly, the market starts moving against you. Your heart races, your palms sweat. You keep staring at the screen hoping the price will reverse. But instead of following your plan, you panic. You close the trade in fear. And seconds later, the market moves exactly where you predicted. This happens every single day. Because trading isn't just a battle against the market, it's a battle against your own mind. Most beginners think success comes from finding the perfect indicator or secret strategy, but the truth is, even the best strategy in the world will fail if your emotions control your decisions. That's why so many traders lose money. They win a few trades, then confidence turns into greed. Suddenly they start risking too much money, taking random trades, ignoring their own rules, and one bad decision wipes out everything. This cycle repeats over and over and over again. The market rewards discipline, not emotions. Professional traders understand something beginners don't. Losses are normal. Even the best traders in the world lose trades regularly. But instead of becoming emotional, they stay calm. They follow their system. They manage risk. And most importantly, they protect their mindset. Because in trading, survival is everything. One of the most dangerous habits in trading is revenge trading. After losing money, many traders become desperate to win it back immediately. So they enter bigger trades, take bigger risks, and completely abandon their strategy. That's when accounts get destroyed. The market doesn't care how badly you want to win, it doesn't care about your frustration, and it definitely doesn't reward emotional decisions. Another mistake traders make is overtrading. Many people believe more trades mean more profits, but smart traders know the opposite is often true. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Patience is power in the financial markets. The ability to wait calmly while others panic is what separates amateurs from professionals. Because trading is not about becoming rich overnight, it's about consistency, small wins, controlled losses, and emotional discipline repeated again and again over time. That's the real secret to consistent profits. Not magic indicators, not social media gurus, not gambling, just discipline, patience, and emotional control. At the end of the day, the chart in front of you isn't your biggest enemy, your emotions are. So before your next trade, ask yourself one question. Are you trading with logic or emotion?